Sure. You are going to be factorizing, you are going to check the number of terms that you have. Let's look at number 1.2.1. How many terms do you see there? There are 2 terms. There are 2 values separated by a minus. So if you look at this one, this is term number 1, this is term number 2. Now, as soon as you know which you have 2 terms, when you're going to be factorizing, the first thing that you usually try to check, every time when you factorize, this is the first thing that you have to do. Check if there's anything which is common. When we say something is common, we're saying what seems to appear here and then it also appears here. What seems to be common between these 2 learners here? These 2.
4.
Both of them are wearing a blue jersey. So it's common. We can take it out. Between these 2 terms here, what seems to be common? Yeah, if you take out x as common, then it means we basically are divided by x and then also divided by x. If you say x and x, we're left with what? 3. X squared. What are you going to remain with? Minus x. And then you get your 2 marks. Let's look at 1.2.2. How many times do we see there? It's 4 times. Huh? Yeah, usually if there's 4 times, you are going to check if there are any like terms. Are there any like terms that you see there? What are the like terms? Like terms. How many like terms you can add them there? There are no like terms. Huh? Okay, since there are no like terms, we're going to try to check if there's anything common between our 4 terms. You take any 2, you group them, and then you check which is there anything common. Let's look at these 2 here. Is there anything that you can say is common between these 2?
Yes.
What is common? 1. Okay, we take out 1. If we take out 1, then we're left with 1 minus x. Okay, let's look at these 2 here. If you look at this one, it's x minus 1. This one that we have inside our bracket is 1 minus x. Is there a way that I can make this one to look like this one?
Yes.
I put a negative 1.
Yes.
If I put a negative 1, whatever was positive becomes what? Yes. So I'm going to have 1 minus x. This one, it was positive, it became what? Negative. This one was negative, it became what? Positive. Now, we can say this one and this one, it appears here and then it also appears here. So we take 1 minus x. And then if we take 1 minus x here, we're left with 1. Minus 1. They gave us 3 marks. Huh? So we're going to get 1, 2 for taking out the negative here. And then 3 for the final answer. Yes.
What if the x and 1